in this session we are going to do the pairing and test how this thing works and how it reacts with the connected device, or basically check them out how it works. So in my previous video I did the unboxing for this thing, and in this video we'll see how it pairs with an iPhone. I know it Samsung will pair with any other Android phones, but I just would like to know how it works with any other Apple devices, as there are some incompatible issues from time to time, which I believe is not an issue with a Samsung. So let's begin with getting into the settings. Go into the Bluetooth settings and let me just turn it on. And on this device, the center button is the power button. So that's what you need to press, hold, and that's the volume button. Also works as the escape and the previous button, and it has a built-in microphone, and on the back you have the well bold printed Samsung branding. So let's just hold it for 3 to 5 seconds until it starts glowing in red and blue. That means it's in pairing mode, which if it is already connected, the device would blink for a short time and it changes color as soon as it gets connected. So as you can see on other devices, I can see EARPHONES 103B, that is the model number. Let's select on it, and it's paired, it's connected, it was instant. And let's go to the home screen and let's see if I can read the battery information out of the device. Yeah, as you can see, batteries, my device is like 57% and the EARPHONES 103B is 60%. So that is the battery within the device, and yeah, the device is communicating with my phone. So let's put this away. So as the title suggests, this would be some more close up, and you can see the beauty of the product, and I would like to discuss how my past week with the product was. So as this is a Samsung product, it is not disappointing, as the quality is no longer an issue and the build quality is very well up to the mark. And of course it can take some level of beating, like it is waterproof, sweat proof for the most cases. I wouldn't recommend it submerging it, but again, the device works with Samsung greatly, as I also tested with my own Samsung phone, and the bass effect really starts to kick in when it is when the earbuds fits the right size. I also tested with my laptop, where it didn't take much long to connect and the features were as rich as you can experience on a smartphone. The one thing that interestingly caught my notice is the how it stays on your neck the whole time, even when you're working out. I also had a few sessions at the gym, working out, seeing if the thing just pops out and like due to the heaviness, but no, due to the body has a rubbery texture, it grips onto your neck and the cable is not that heavy, and so is the battery pack. So it's all a light pack and it can play up to 5 hours non-stop, but that is just a number. But I have got more than 6 to 7 hours, and I charge it only twice a day if I'm using it continuously, or once a week for a gradual use. And you can also leave it turned on the entire day and it wouldn't drain completely. It goes to the sleep mode, and once you get the call, you can directly answer them on the headsets, as it has a built-in microphone. The interesting other fact is that it's a magnetic headphones which can stay on your neck. It just holds itself like a necklace and it stays there, so you just doesn't have to worry about putting them back on a charging case like the other headphones I have reviewed previously. And of course the wire it's a round cable, so that the chances of getting it tangled is very less. But again, you can crumble them and put it in your pocket, and it wouldn't be an issue at all.